Hey all, this is Ron Perriello, Lancelot Video. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to go into cursor effects and transitions to show how you can highlight and spotlight in Camtasia. Okay, so here we are in this video. Right now I am showing you a DaVinci Resolve. I was editing this video, and if I wanted to highlight any parts of this video, I could go ahead and go into annotation and pick out the highlight, which is the highlighter icon. Once I do that, I can bring it down onto the video on track 2, so then you can see here it's highlighted yellow. And if I wanted to show someone a specific point of the video in Resolve that I wanted someone to know, for instance, that I thought was more important, I could use this effect. And if you also want to turn it, you could just use your mouse here, turn it sideways, and go into any part of the video that I'm editing. Also, additionally, if I wanted to zoom in, I could as well as I highlight any part of this tutorial that I'm doing in DaVinci. And the way I did that was just scrolling with my mouse, but of course you can go here and change with the percentages as well to make it smaller and larger. And finally, I want to show you the one of my favorite cursor effects in Camtasia, and that is the cursor highlight. If I go ahead and play this tutorial in DaVinci, if you look closely, you can see the mouse. So if I'm doing tutorial, it's going to be hard for the viewer to see what I'm doing on the screen. But if I hit pause here, go to cursor effect, go to cursor highlights, bring it down onto the track, boom, right off the bat, you can see if I hit play this again, you got the circle, and now it's following what I'm doing as I'm editing within DaVinci. So another cool feature within the cursor highlight is, as you can notice, this yellow is very bright. But on the right here, you can actually lower the brightness by just using this tab. You can actually change the color if you wanted to as well. But obviously I think yellow is the best color to highlight your tutorials. So if I hit play, now that it's not as bright, but you can still follow my mouse. If you want to remove the effect, you just go ahead and double click the video, go to edit effects, then your cursor highlight is here, you just go ahead and get rid of it. So this is Ron Perriello at Lancelot Video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.